Hello, this is Justin McIntosh, and I am the CEO of DocuSite. And today we're going to show you how to get started with the DocuSite app, the mobile app. So first of all, you're going to log in and you're going to see a screen that is like this, and there's going to be no projects, nothing. And there's a couple things you can do here. The first thing is if you hit this, the three hamburger bar on the left, you're able to take a look at either your account, log out, and if you click your account, you can see all the information on your account, and you can update this and save it, etc. When you go back in here to add projects, it's very simple. All you need to do is click this button, and it says the blue button on the right hand side. It says add project name, so you're going to name your project. Name project 1. Okay, and then you're going to press OK. And there's your project. It has your project name, the date, and the number here. And if you want to add more, you just click this button here, and you can add as many of these as you want. So when you go in here, there's going to have a screen here that says site activities. And what site activities are another way of organizing data that's collected in the field, so that in a project you're not have a jumbled mess of, a million different files and everything. So what we do here is you hit the blue button again, just like everything, and it'll have the date on here, and that's the default because some people like to organize it from the date. But you can just click on the date, and you can add it and put it to whatever you want. So you can delete this, and you can name it whatever. Okay, so then you press OK, and when you go into the actual app or into the actual site activity, you're going to see photos, videos, notes, checklists, and forms, and I'm going to walk you through each one of these. So let's start with photos. So you click the photo button, and when you do that, you're not going to have any photos, so you just hit the blue button on the right. It says either take photos or from photos. If you do from photos, it's going to be what's in your library, and if you take a photo, it's going to look like this. And there's a photo of me recording this video. So you can use this, and here is all the information, and you can type notes on this. So video recording, just for fun, and you can type as much as you want in here, and you click the save button. Now when you save it, it's going to save the photo, the date, the person that did it, the time, and the GPS coordinates. So when you do that, just remember you have to enable your GPS on your phone for it to work. But when you do that, it'll collect all that. So you can do as many of these as you want, and it's that simple. So next, we'll go over videos. And the video section is just as easy as the phone. You click the video button here, and when you get in here, it's going to be a blank screen again, and all you need to do is click this blue button on the hand side, and here we go. I am recording a video now, and you can, and if it's what you like, you just say use video, and it's going to say no preview currently available yet. And it takes a few minutes for it to, after you save it, for it to decode so that you can go back and view it. So don't be alarmed if it says that. That's just part of the decoding process. So again, just like with photos, you can put anything you want in here, and you can title this, video 1, right? And then you save it, and so you're gonna, when you save this, you're gonna see the percentages count down until you get to 100%. One thing to note when you're recording a video is that you can only record with 2-minute increments of the video, because if you do anything more, it's gonna stop you, and that's because it'll take forever to upload to the server. So we do it in 2-minute increments, and then when you're done, you can do as many of these as you want. So notes is the same thing. You hit the blue button, and you type in your note, and you can name it whatever you want. Notes 1, save. and that'll save up there, and you can go back and view it if you want. Type note. Let's go to checklists. So if you've already built your checklists, they'll be displayed here, and there's also the ones that we built for you. So if you go into checklist, you click the checklist button, and you can see there's none of these best practice safe dig checklists in here yet. So we're going to hit the button here on the right, and we're going to fill it out, and you know, blah 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 blah. We'll go through each one of these, and you can see how easy it is. It's just these checklists, the pick list, and then you go to save it, and when you save it, it will save here. See, it says Justin Mack 428, and you can go back through here and you can look through here. If you want, you can delete it by clicking this three dot menu on the right hand side. But it's that simple, so you can do as many of these as you want. So then we'll go to forms, and you can see there's a workplace accident form, and there's a utility damage form, CGA dirt form, etc. So when we open it, we can fill out this form. And one thing to note when you do one of these forms, if there's anything with an asterisk next to it, that means that it is required for you to use before you can close the app or close the form. So you know, you can fill out all these. It's pretty simple, and you just click save just like anything else. And again, you go into it if you want to see it again, and you can delete it, and it's really that simple. Like, everything is very, very simple, and should be very simple for you to use, and easy and quick. So the last thing is the documents, and we'll go further into this on the actual managing media section of this video, and you can see exactly what the documents function does. So for now, that's good. Thank you.